Today, we will be discussing ABCDEF Technique, or simply ABCD Technique, in order to help early learners to multiply big numbers. This technique was designed by myself for you to multiply big numbers with confidence and proficiency. Now let's move on. 123 times 456. Let's expand 123 and then 456. Letter E gets the value of 100, while A has 20 and B has 3. For the multiplier, F gets 400, while C gets 50 and D gets 6. Now, are you ready to multiply? Step 1. Find the product of A and D. 20 times 6 is equal to 120. Don't forget your answer. This will be added into the next step. For step 120 is the answer. Step 2. Multiply B and C. 3 times 50 is equal to 150. 150 is not the final answer. 150 will be added to 120 to become 270. Please remember the answer for any step because it is needed on the next step. Remember 270. Step 3. Find BD. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Now, add 18 to the previous answer. 270 plus 18 is equal to 288. Step number 4. Find ED. 100 times 6 is equal to 600. 600 plus 288 is equal to 888. Finding the product of F and B. 400 times 3 is equal to 1,200. 1,200 plus 888 is equal to 2,088. Step 6. Finding the value of A and C. 20 times 50 is equal to 1,000. 1,000 plus 2,088 is equal to 3,088. Next step is finding the product of EC. 100 times 50 is equal to 5,000. 5,000 plus 3,088 is equal to 8,088. Step 8 is finding the product of A and F. 20 times 400 is equal to 8,000. 8,000 plus 8,088 is equal to 16,088. Last step is to find the value of E and F. 100 times 400 is equal to 40,000. 40,000 plus 16,088 is equal